In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message yourself in Slack. This can be an incredibly handy tool for keeping track of your thoughts, setting reminders, or just jotting down some quick notes. Let's walk through the steps together to make the most out of this feature in Slack. First, you'll want to open up Slack on your desktop or mobile device and navigate to the home page. Here you'll find the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the interface. This is a powerful tool that allows you to search a variety of things across Slack, but today we're focusing on direct messages. Simply type in your own name into the search bar, which will bring up a list of direct message options, and you'll notice there's a unique entry that has you highlighted next to it. This is your personal chat space, essentially a private note area just for you. Once you've clicked on the entry marked with you, you'll be brought to a familiar chat interface. It's just like opening a chat with a coworker, but in this case you're actually messaging yourself. This area is free for you to type anything you'd like. Perhaps it's a reminder for an upcoming meeting, a grocery list, or just that creative idea that popped into your head. Type your message in the chat box as you would in any other conversation, and hit send. What makes messaging yourself in Slack particularly useful is its capability to serve as a reminder or note-keeping tool. You can return to your self-chat anytime to review your messages, add new thoughts, or amend your notes. Whether you're on your desktop during the workday or using your mobile device later, those messages are easily accessible wherever and whenever you need them. The best part of this feature is its versatility. You can use it for any purpose that suits your workflow. Some people find it helpful to store motivational quotes or links to articles they want to read later. Others might use it as a log for documenting ideas or brainstorming sessions. It's a personal space that can be tailored perfectly to your needs. Messaging yourself in Slack is not just about reminders or notes, it's about having a customizable tool at your fingertips that optimizes your productivity and organization throughout your day. Remember, this is your space to use however you see fit. So explore, try different uses, and see which ones seamlessly fit into your routine. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've set up a personal messaging system within Slack that can help keep your life organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip helps you make the most out of your Slack experience.